how to get early access to Instagram features. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Do you want to get early access to all the features on Instagram before they are globally launched? If yes, then you are in the right video. Without further ado, let's get started. Open Instagram on your device, tap on the circle with your profile picture at the bottom, then tap on the hamburger menu. Scroll down until you see the Your App and Media section. Over here, you will see the Early Access to Features option. Tap on it. Now, toggle on the button to join the beta program. With this feature enabled, you will get to try new features before they are officially released. Please note that Instagram may be unstable because these features are still in development. However, you can leave the program anytime if you encounter issues. And boom! You have successfully learned how to get early access to new features on Instagram. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.